go-tos.
Hi, I'm Michelle Adams. I am a yoga instructor and I'm here with the Desire Company. This is how you use a skills mini band. So for the mini band, there are an abundance of exercises you can go through. I'll give you a couple of them that I really enjoy. So you can use them on your legs or your upper body. I'll start with upper body. For shoulder stability, something that you can always incorporate is you can bring your hands or your wrists through the mini band, pull those hands out, and when you're raising, be trying to pull your scaps down your back. So I'm trying to pull this down and together as I'm raising. This one's amazing. If you have any shoulder issues, any shoulder strength problems, any past injuries, you want to really work on activating this and finding the control. Another thing that bands are amazing for is glute activation. So there's a lot of exercises, but one of my favorites is you bring it right below your knees. You need to make sure you're pulling your knees out. You squat down and you're doing band walks to the side. So you always keep tension, and that way we're working that lateral movement. We're activating this area of our body. We're going to be also able to do taps, which is a great one, or you can take it all the way down to the ground. Same thing again, always pulling those knees open, not letting your knees come in, and you can do some bridges where you're pulling your hips up or holding. Practice, practice, and more practice. You're gonna absolutely love using this product. You got this.